Hey everyone, welcome to Code Journey with Shubh. So now I'm going to start a one Java playlist. So in this playlist we will learn all about the Java. So here in this video we will discuss about all the overview that I will teach in upcoming video. So before these videos we should understand what is Java, what is the internal parts in Java, why we use Java, and all about the Java and what the major thing that makes Java is very useful and why many big product-based company like Amazon, Google, Flipkart, these companies are using Java. So let's deeper into the. So in the Java introduction, we will discuss about what is Java. It will be our first video after this overview. So in Java introduction, we will learn what is Java, why learn Java, and we will discuss JVM, JDK, JRE overview. So first of all, Java is a high-level object-oriented platform-independent programming language developed by the James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995, and now it is owned by the Oracle. So it is one of the most widely used programming language in the world, especially in enterprise applications, mobile apps, web development, and backend system. So why we learn Java? So basically, as we know that Java is very useful to create Android apps we use every day to in banking system that secures our money to big company like Netflix, Amazon. They are handling millions of users by using Java language. And apart from it, why should we learn Java? So basically, in the Java, before Java, developer has faced many problems in C and C++, but after coming to Java, they have seen that in Java first that is syntax. So in Java syntax is very simple and Java is fully object oriented programming except its primitive data type. And next is platform independent. Basically inside Java we use JVM. So JVM makes Java as a platform independence and then robust. Uh, Inside Java basically there are exception handling. So we also handles exceptions. So it also makes multi-thread environment by using multiple thread, we basically handle the multiple tasks at a time. And then after high performance, as I told that it faster, it is because it uses JIT compiler in comparison to interpreted languages. And distributed, we can let. So yeah, let's discuss about JDK, JRE, and JVM. So as I told that JDK is a Java development kit, and apart from it, inside it, it provides JRE and JVM. JRE is a Java runtime environment. It provides all the libraries and packages that are important to run the Java application. And now move to the JVM. JVM refers to the Java virtual machine. Basically, the main purpose of JVM to convert the bytecode bytecode into a binary code. And as we know that after JVM just given dot Java. And then after what it will do, compiler Java C converts it into a bytecode, my class. Then so let's discuss about the JVM, JDK, and JRE. So first, JDK refers to a Java development kit. It is a software toolkit that provides all the JRE and JVM features. So JRE is a Java runtime environment that provides all the classes and all the packages that are very useful to run the Java application. JVM provides a very good functionality that makes the Java platform independent. So what it makes after the introduction parts of the Java, we will discuss in second video that will be a variables and conditional statements. So in this video, we will discuss only a overview. So here we will talk data types and variables. So basically, data types is a primitive data types and a non-primitive data types. Inside the primitive, we will discuss about integer, float, that are the previous and traditional data types. In the non-primitive, we will discuss array. In the non-primitive data type, we will discuss array, string, and class. These are the non-primitive data types. And in the variables, we will discuss private, non-private, and private, protected, static, all types of variable we will discuss. And now move to the operators. So, just like a C and C++, Java also supports plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus operators. And now move to loops. conditional statements. So Java also support if else switch conditions, and apart from it, when it comes to loop, so it also supports while loop, for loop, for each loop. So let's discuss tip. So master variables and logic to control program flow. So basically, all program flow matters for a fresher or a develop for the developer. So yeah, hello. Let's discuss core Java. So inside core Java, we basically focus on arrays and string. So arrays, A-R-R-A-Y-S, not I, and string. So arrays, it stores similar type of data, and string it stores a alphanumeric value, just like a C and C++. And then after we will discuss methods and functions. Basically, Java supports methods because method always associated with the object, and the function, as we know. And then after package is just like a folder. Import is an approach through which we basically import different classes and packages. And now move to tip. Tip core is building block of Java programs. Yeah, basically for understanding the Java program, core is very important. So let's jump to the OOP concept. OOPs concept is a concept which is very helpful in Java because Java supports everything in an object except the primary data type. So OOPS refers to the object-oriented programming system. So let's discuss about the classes and objects. So class, it is a blueprint of objects. Object is a real-world entity. For example, a human has different qualities and different things. So it we store in a variables or a methods. And then we constructor, we will discuss about different type of constructor, inheritance, polymorphism. Inheritance is just like a parent-child relationship. Polymorph is a person who behaves different roles in his life: father, son, daughter, teacher, doctor, everything. And then abstraction and encapsulation, how we hide the all the implementation details from the users. And then discuss about the tip. OOP makes our code modular and reusable. So yeah, we will discuss in upcoming videos, and here we will only discuss about the for making our website robust. So we have to use the exception handling. So in Java, basically Java has given us try, catch, finally block to handle the exception. Try what the risky code we will just write inside the try, and catch will catch that exception. And finally, whatever we want to run in each and every situation, exception or not exception, so we use finally block. So exception is an unwanted, unexpected situation we basically handle by using exception handling. And then inheritance, by using extend or implements, we use some exception class and some exception interfaces. And then we use throw and throws keyword for using custom exception, and for using that its caller will handle that exception. Tip: handle error gracefully to avoid crashes. After the exception handling, we basically go for the multi-threading. Multi-threading is a way, through this way we can perform multiple tasks at a time. So basically thread, it is a part of the process. We can understand thread, it is a single unit of a process. Yeah, then we will discuss about thread lifecycle. It is very important question. Interviewer always ask about process and thread, then thread lifecycle. Then we use synchronization and concurrency. How by using a thread we can get a concurrency. Concurrency is just like an approach where we can perform multiple tasks at a time. And let's discuss about its step. Make programs faster and efficient with threads. Yeah, that's all about in this playlist. We will discuss in the further videos. And yeah, and to start this playlist is to master Java from basics to advanced. So please follow along for project and coding challenges. In future we will also provide all the essay in Java, and subscribe to Code Journey with Shubh. Thank you, and subscribe.